Okay, here we go. Next thing, what we're going to work on is ISBN numbers. Those are the numbers that you find on the back of books, such as our textbook here. If you look at the back of your textbook, we've got an ISBN number. There's an ISBN 13 and an ISBN 10. What we're going to work on today is ISBN 10. Now, ISBN 10, of course, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. So, if you look at the back of your book, this is the same number as the back of your book in ISBN 10. And it is the number 05582090084. Now, this is very similar to UPC codes. We have our check digit here again. This is our check digit. And what it does is it's the number that you put in, or that the company puts in, to make sure that all of this ends up the proper number. Now, in ISBN numbers, the first digit here will tell us what kind of language it's written in. 0 is English. Sometimes 0 through 9 are various languages. Occasionally you need 2 digits for other languages that are 10, 11, and 12, as I recall. In UPC codes, which I didn't tell you this before, but in UPC codes, that first digit tells you what type of product it is. The next digits tell you what store or what manufacturer it is, and then the store price. In the ISBN numbers, we get the language. You'll read all this in your paper here, but you get the language and then the publisher and such. Now, what we do in this case, instead of 313131 like we did in UPC codes, we do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we take each of these numbers and we're going to multiply it starting at 10 down to 1. So 0 times 10, 5 times 9, 5 times 8, 8 times 7, 2 times 6, 0 times 5, 9 times 4, 0 times 3, 8 times 2, and 4 times 1, the last digit. Say hi, Fozzie. Hello. Okay, 0 times 10 is not 10. Back that up. No push-ups still, sorry. 0. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 7 is 56. Not 7, 56. 2 times 6 is 12. 0 times 5 is 0. 9 times 4 is 36. 0 times 3 is 0. 8 times 2, 16. And 4 times 1 is 4. Again, we add them all up to get a value. Except instead of mod 10, we use mod 11. We need to end up with a 0 in mod 11. So let's write that down. 0 mod 11 this time. So, in other words, 0 in mod 11 would be 0, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, and so on. Now, I realized that the last one we had 12 digits and we needed a 0 in mod 10. This time we have 10 digits, we need 0 in mod 11. Kind of use that inverse relationship as a way to remember it, perhaps. Well, when we multiply all these out, we get these numbers. When we add them together, we actually end up with 209, 209. And is 209 0 in mod 11? Yes, it turns out that 11 times, 19. 11 times 19 is 209. Multiply this out, 9 times 1 is 9, 9, 0 placeholder, 1, and 1. And there we go, 209. So 209 is actually 0 in mod 11, so our numbers have been read correctly. Again, just like with ISBN or with UPC symbol numbers, we're going to be multiplying them, but instead of 31, 31, 31, with UPC, we're going to use 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With ISBNs, we add all those products together, and we must get a number that is 0 mod 11. This is the check digit again, determined by that. So again, we're going to pull some of these numbers out and say, what would it have to be? So a key thing to do is write out the list of all the numbers in mod 11 So then you can figure out what would you have to do to get to a total that'll give you 0 in Mod 11. Again, good luck with this. I hope this is helping you out. And the next thing we're going to get to is error correction Hamming code.